Where are we going, guys? What? Are you ready for adventure? Where are we going? You're not sure, huh? All right. Well, don't knock brother out of the way. Hey, Zinj. You're cool as a cucumber. Cool. You want cucumber. That's coming up.
They're not gonna jump in the water, they're cats. Come on, Zulu.
Yeah, but what if they did?
You'd be hanging them by there. I'd have to jump in and rescue them. Come on, Granny. Come on.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
They're adventure dogs.
Look at her. What do you see? What do you see? Look at you posing. She's sniffing.
Zulu. Yeah. What you doing? What you doing, buddy?
I'm watching the boats.
Yeah?
I'm watching the boats.
You gonna wave at them?
I want to go on the water taxi.
Hey guys, what are you doing on the table?
Look
you
at the
looking
background.
around? Oh,
Uh-oh.
mosquitoes?
Yeah.
All right, let's move on. Hello!
Hello.
I'm going in, cover me. We're going through the tunnel. Woo! come on in.
Can you see?
Oh yeah. Come on.
Come on, guys.
Woo. We're going to the tunnel. Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, come on.
Oh my goodness, this is gonna go on the ground.
Yeah, this is a long tube.
This is huge.
Yeah, it is.
Go, 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 babe. Come on, guys.
It's a long tube.
Go, 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 go. Come on, guys. Oh my goodness, this is like a cave. They're slipping. Oh my goodness. That was scary.
Come on, Sue, over here. Walk in front of me. Stay on the side. There you
Oh, look at you guys. You guys, you did great. Reminds me of Magnolia Gardens.
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? Huh? What do you think? How are you guys doing? You had a fun adventure? You pooped? You laid down. You pooped, did he pooped? Got to get ready for the December trip. It's going to be a long one, so this is breaking you in back to adventure road trips.
Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Please hit that like button and leave us a comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, that would really help our channel. We appreciate your support.